Okay, we're told to use synthetic division to determine whether the given number is a zero of the polynomial. And so what we're doing is we're just testing is something a zero. And to test that, what we're going to do is we're just going to divide it in. And the goal is that if it is a zero, it will have a remainder of 0. And so that's how we test zeros. We put them in, and if we get that 0 as a remainder, yay, it's a 0. If we don't get a 0, no, it's not. It doesn't divide cleanly, so therefore it's not a 0. And it doesn't work in this equation. So we're going to use synthetic division to quickly do this. So we were testing, oh, I forgot to write down what we're testing. We're testing -2. So I have -2 here. Then here I have, I'm going to write my coefficients, 3, 5, -6, and -9. Now remember, if for some reason you skipped one of the x's, you didn't have an x squared, you have to put in a 0 for them. You need a coefficient for every one in descending order. So if you start with a 5, you need one from 5 down to the number that is it. So like for instance, if there was a -9 there, you have to put a 0 here. You need one for every term. You always bring just down the first one, so you bring down the 3, and then this is 2 times 3 is -6, so then that's -1, you're just adding them, remember, and this is 2, -4, -4 is 8, this gives me -1 as my remainder. So this is not 0, that means this is not, is this a 0? No. Because we didn't get a 0. Had we got a 0 here in this last step here, then it would have been a 0, but we didn't, so it's not. But you can see this is really easy and quick to check these zeros. This has become very useful as we learn how to find out what our possible zeros are, and we just need to eliminate down to the ones that are.